An update on the breaking news we first told you about on Eyewitness News, live at 5.
A federal appeals court has ruled against Jason Pleau, the man accused of shooting and killing a gas station manager outside of Woonsocket Bank in 2010.
This means Pleau could be sentenced to death if he's found guilty.
Target 12 investigator Tim White is live in our newsroom with the late-breaking details.
CLU says they are extremely disheartened by the decision, and it was a close one. The judges ruled 3-2 that Jason Pleau must be handed over to federal authorities. He now faces the possibility of the death penalty. Federal prosecutors say Jason Pleau shot and killed David Main outside the Citizens Bank on Diamond Hill Road in Woonsocket in September 2010. After a long legal battle, a U.S. appeals court in Boston has now sided with the U.S. Attorney's Office, who want Pleau tried in federal court. The decision marks a loss for Governor Lincoln Chafee, who fought to keep Pleau in state custody. Rhode Island does not have the death penalty. Chafee won the first round, but federal authorities appealed, leading to today's decision. In a statement, the U.S. Attorney's Office says today's ruling affirms our position from the outset that the governor does not have the right to bar a defendant who is properly charged by the federal government from appearing in federal court to face those charges. The majority of the judges warned Rhode Island state prisons could turn into a refuge against federal charges if Pleau had won. It's still unclear if federal prosecutors will seek the death penalty. We just heard from Governor Chafee. In a statement, he says, given the divided panel, the considerable states' rights issues involved, and the fact that a human life could be at stake, we will carefully evaluate all of our options. That means this legal fight may not be over. His next step would be, of course, the U.S. Supreme Court. Live in the newsroom, Tim White, Eyewitness News.